Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
How to check who has accessed your Twitter account. Log into your Twitter account if you are not already logged in. Click on the More tab in the left sidebar. Click on the Settings and Support from the pop-up menu. Now click on the Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Under Settings section, click on Security and Account Access. On this page, click on Apps and Sessions option. Click on Account Access History. Here, you can see all your account access history. If you find any suspicious activity, go back to the previous page and click on Sessions. Click on Log out of all other sessions link. Click on Log out. That's it, you are logged out of all other active sessions. Now go to Connected Apps page. Click on the app that has access to your Twitter account. Click on Revoke App Permission. That's it, app permission has been revoked. Please note that when you revoke app permission, you won't be able to log in to that app using your Twitter login. This is how you can check who has access to your Twitter account. Thank you for watching.